Namaste children. Today in this class we are going to see editing text in MS Word 2010. Editing text in MS Word 2010. Microsoft Word is an application software used for word processing. It was introduced by Microsoft Corporation. First let us start with starting Microsoft Word. How to start? Start all programs. Let us see. So here is the start button and I can click this all programs and I can search for Microsoft Office. When I click that, I have to search for Word. Here Microsoft Office Word 2007 is available in the system. So when I click that, a new page is started. You can see the name here. It is not saved, so the document 2 is given. Okay, so this is how we can start entering the text. When I want to enter, what to do? So the same, you can go with file and you can have this new. When you click that new, immediately a new page will be open. Okay, blank document can be opened immediately. So this is named as document 3. I don't want to save this also. I'm closing. And if not, see, this is called quick access toolbar. You can see this. When I touch, it's showing the shortcut also, Ctrl+N. So if I click that, new page is open. I don't want this also. I'm closing. Clear? So this is how we can enter the text, creating a new document. First we started with a new document and saving a document. Saving a document. How to save? So I'm opening a new one. And I'm opening and I'm saving as class 4. I want to save this. What should I do? I have to go to the file, save as. It will be asking for class 4. The same name is given. So instead of that, I can use this number name also, FOUR. I'm saving. So already it is having the same name, so I'm going with another name. That's why it's new, it's saving. Okay, if not, once again there is option shortcut, quick access toolbar. You can click save in this. Immediately it will get saved. Clear? So I'm saving. See here, that's all, it's saved. Okay, so this is about how to save and closing a document. Closing a document, go to file. I just open first. Yes, you can have this close. Immediately it is closed. I didn't touch anywhere. I used that file and it is closed. If not, there is a shortcut, Ctrl+W. Opening a document. Go to file, click open. Yes, this page will appear and you have to give the name, correct name which you saved. 44. I gave no. So I'm opening again. I getting the same page once again. This is how we can open the file which is saved already, and the short form is Ctrl+O. Printing a document. How to print? Go to file. First let me open the previous one. Yes, so I had to open. For that I go to open. Yes, it is showing. I'm opening this. I want to take the print of this. I'm going here and I'm giving print. Yes, okay. So how to say print preview? I want to see how it will be looking when I get the hot copy. This is how it will appear. Preview. Okay. So if not like this, I can use the short form once again. Here is quick access toolbar. Once when I click, you'll be able to see the preview. Clear? Yes. So the next is exiting Microsoft Word. The shortcut is also given. Let me open this again, the same. So let us go to open. Yes, I give the name and open. It will be asking, it will be giving you the suggestion. So I'm choosing the correct one and it's opening. Yes. How to exit? I have to go to here, exit Word. One option is there. Exit it. No, I don't want in that way. The same thing. I'm going for the same. Yes. Again appeared. I can go here also. Toolbar, and I can use this also. That's all for today's class, children. Thank you, children.